Welcome to Wholistic Essentials Wellness Business Directory. This is a short video on how to create your ProBiz profile. This is the main page of our business directory, and here you will see the tabs that take you to the individual pages. What you need to look for to create your online presence is the Holistic Providers List Your Services button in the top right corner. This will take you to our pricing page. You can choose from the basic free listing, a VIP listing, and what we will be showing you today is your ProBiz professional listing. As you can see, our ProBiz membership listing gives you the most features. It is the most inclusive and gives you the best value of all the membership levels. So let's get started. This will take you to the Create Your Profile page, where you can simply enter your basic information such as your email and create a password. Then select a payment option of annual or monthly, and then hit Continue. From here you can enter your credit card information, first name, last name, your address, postal code, etc. Then enter your card number with your expiration date and security code, and be sure to check the I am not a robot button, and then select Create My Profile. You have now completed step 1 on how to choose the membership level for your online profile. If you like, you may move on to step 2 on how to add or update information on your profile. You may also watch the complete profile video from start to finish if you like, or contact our office if you have any questions or concerns that we can help you with.